Hello! Magandang araw! Today, we're going to discuss about percentage. To start with, let's read this problem. There are 40 students in a grade 5 class. If 90% are present on a particular day, how many students are present in the class? So, what is asked in the problem? The number of students present in the class. What are the given facts? 40 students and 90%. So change the problem to mathematical sentence. So it will be 90% of 40 is blank. Let's identify the missing element. If 40 is the base, 90% is the rate, percentage is missing. So to find the percentage, we use this formula. Rate times base equals percentage. We can also write that as this one. Percentage equals rate times base. So if we have this, let's change the formula with the values. The rate is 90% while the base is 40. So percentage is missing. So we can solve the problem by using fraction. Okay, I will show you how to do it. Rate times base equals percentage. So the rate is 90%, the base is 40, and the percentage is missing. So step 1, change the rate as fraction. So as you know, to change fraction, we have to change it to ratio. Then use the 100 as the second term. So 90% will become 90 over 100 times, so the 40 equals P. So we write over 1 since this is multiplication of fraction by a whole number. So step 2, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominator. So 90 times 40 and 100 times 1, that will be 3,600 over 100. So step 3, divide the numerator by the denominator. 3,600 divided by 100 is equals to 36. So, the percentage is 36. To answer the problem, 36 students are present. We can also solve the same problem using decimals. So, for example, we have this one. Step 1, change the rate as decimals. So, how are we going to change it? So, change the percent sign into decimal point, then move the decimal point twice. So, you will move it twice. So, 90% will become 0.90 times 40 equals, so step 2, multiply. So, 0.90 times 40 is 36.00. Remember, we have two decimal places. That's why we have two decimal places in the product. So, 36.00 is the same as 36. So, let's have another example. So, let's solve percentage using fraction. So, 5% times 300 equals P. So, change the rate as a fraction. So, you will have this 5% will become 5 over 100 times 300. So, we will write over 1 and we will multiply the numerator and the denominator. So, 5 times 300 equals 1,500 and 100 times 1 equals 100. Step 3, divide the numerator by the denominator. So we have 15. Same problem. You have 5% of 300. So we have 5% times 300 equals P. So step 1, change the rate as decimals. So we have this one. You will change the percent sign to decimals. Then you will move the decimal point twice. So 1, 2, and you will affix 0 since kulang kasi ng digit. So you will write 0. So 5% will become 0.05 times 300. So step 2, you're going to multiply. The answer is 15.00 or 15. I hope you understand. So you may use whatever method you want. You may use use decimals or you may use fraction. Okay, goodbye class. Happy learning.